It is the first day of winter here in the US, so let's see if the silicone wipers will do better than regular wipers during the winter time. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be installing silicone wipers for this 2006 Hummer H3. Now, as an experiment, we're gonna try two different brand silicone wipers. For the driver's side, we're gonna put in a PIAA silicone wiper that I bought on Amazon, which is a 17-inch for the driver's side. Then for the passenger side, we're gonna try a Michelin endurance wiper, which is 16-inch wiper that I bought on Walmart. Please take note that these are not sponsored, but they are the most accessible wipers that we can buy here in the US. Now, a quick side note, with this Michelin Endurance wiper, it came with a warning. It says avoid installation in direct sunlight or freezing temperature. But that's the purpose of this experiment, is to test it during the winter time. So it defeats the purpose if I can't use this in freezing temperatures. As I mentioned, it's winter time and it's gonna snow soon. I don't know what Michelin is thinking in including this warning. To start, pull the wiper back away from the windshield. Now, before removing the wiper, put a towel or soft foam on the windshield. That way, when we remove the wiper and this accidentally springs back on the windshield, it does not damage your windshield, especially when the metal part of the wiper arm is exposed. Removing the wiper from the wiper arm. At the bottom of the wiper arm, there's a locking tab that holds the wiper in place. So simply press that down and pull the whole wiper down. That will release the wiper from the wiper arm. Now, just for added information, the wiper arm for the 2006 Hummer H3 is a J-type wiper. That means that the end of the wiper arm is shaped like a J. Now you know. Now let's install the new PIAA wiper on the wiper arm. The wiper arm came with adapters or connectors depending on what your wiper arm end is. So look for the adapter that fits your wiper arm and use that. Oops. It's not this one. Almost, but it's too big. This one is too big. Alright, let's get the one that fell. Of course, it's the one that fell. Alright, use that new adapter on the wiper arm by clicking it on position. Now slide the new wiper on the wiper arm and make sure that it clicks in place. Let me do that again. I hope you heard it on video. Alright, that's the first wiper. Do the same thing with the passenger side. First, move the wiper arm away from the windshield. Now get your soft cloth or towel to cover on the windshield. Now at the bottom, I know you can't see it, but you gotta trust me on this. You press the locking mechanism again and push down on the wiper arm. And now it released along with its adapter. Now the Michelin Endurance wiper is a little fancier. It has a cover after you put in the wiper on the wiper arm. So slide it in. Once it's locked in position, lock the top portion of the wiper. Then you have to take out these blue protectors for the wiper. These blue things protect the wiper from being deformed while it is in packaging and being transported. Now the PIAA wipers came with the silicone wipe, so you're supposed to wipe the windshield first before putting back the wipers on the windshield. So let's wipe the windshield first with this. Even though this is just for the PIAA, we're gonna wipe the whole windshield so that the Michelin endurance wiper can also benefit the protective coating. Now we can set the wipers back on the windshield. Here's a first impression on the wipers. They wipe very quietly. The regular wipers I can hear when they're wiping. This one I cannot hear a thing. The only thing I can hear is the wiper motor. Now that we have the wipers on the vehicle, we're gonna test it during the winter season. And we'll make a final analysis after winter's over. So I'll see you in a few months.